Most people get this wrong. They think setting up invoicing in Jobber is just about creating a bill and sending it to a customer. Here's the truth no one tells you. A properly configured invoicing system can help you get paid faster, reduce mistakes, and save hours of admin work every month. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to set up Jobber invoicing in 2026, the key settings you should configure first, and the common mistakes that slow down payments. By the end, you'll have a clear setup process you can follow for your own business. Let's get straight into it. The first step is setting up your company information. Before creating any invoices, make sure your business name, logo, contact details, and payment information are entered correctly. This sounds simple, but professional-looking invoices build trust and make your business appear more established. Now here's where it gets interesting. The next step is creating your services and pricing. Imagine Jake runs a landscaping company. Instead of manually typing lawn maintenance every time he creates an invoice, he can save that service with a predefined price. This speeds up invoicing and reduces errors. But here's the problem. This is where most people fail. They skip service setup and end up manually entering the same information over and over again. Next, connect your payment processing options. Jobber allows businesses to offer convenient online payment methods so customers can pay directly from the invoice. The easier you make it for customers to pay, the faster you typically get paid. That's an immediate win. Now let's talk about creating your first invoice. Once a job is completed, you can generate an invoice from the job record. Customer details, services, and pricing can automatically populate based on the work performed. This reduces duplicate data entry and saves time. In a minute, I'll show you one setting that can significantly improve cash flow. Before sending invoices, configure your payment terms. Decide whether payment is due immediately, within 7 days, 15 days, or 30 days. Clear expectations reduce confusion and late payments. Now here's the setting many businesses overlook. Automatic reminders. If John owns an HVAC company and forgets to follow up on unpaid invoices, money can sit outstanding for weeks. Automated reminders help maintain consistent collections without requiring constant manual follow-up. But here's the problem. Some owners send invoices quickly but never review reporting. Make it a habit to monitor outstanding invoices and payment status regularly. This helps identify potential issues before they become serious cash flow problems. So let's recap. First, set up your business information. Second, create service templates and pricing. Third, connect payment options. Fourth, configure payment terms. Fifth, enable automatic reminders. When these pieces work together, invoicing becomes faster, more professional, and easier to manage. If this guide helped you understand Jobber invoicing, hit the like button, leave a comment with your industry, and subscribe for more Jobber tutorials, software reviews, and business growth tips.